Speaking of Nike and another one of its suppliers, Dick's Sporting Goods, also out with its numbers this morning, actually raising its forecast. Raising its forecast. When's the last time we've said that about a retailer? Have we had any retailers this season raise their forecast? So now Dick's is looking for adjusted earnings per share of $10 to $12. It had been $9.15 to $11.70. So the company, though, is still expecting a comp sales decline for the full year of 2 to 6%. So it's just that the bottom line is going to be better. Inventory here up 49% in the last quarter. So, it's not like everything is wine and roses.
Let's be careful there to anoint, Dick's Sporting Goods is selling some form of magic potions in their stores. Same-store sales were down in the most recent quarter. And to your point, inventory was up 49% year over year. It's going to take some time for them to work through that inventory. But look, I'm excited to go back and to listen to this Dick's Sporting Goods conference call, because I would suspect a large part of this gain is still driven by those outdoor categories. Their golf business has been very strong for Dick's Sporting Goods.
Well, again, I mean, when you have a Golf Galaxy subsidiary, your golf business better be strong. Otherwise, what are you holding on to those stores for? But the inventories right now, they were up 49% year over year. That is extremely significant. So I'd expect them to say something on the call about how they plan to actually move through that inventory. And it was interesting on the raise that you mentioned a moment ago. Yeah, it was the low end of the guidance that they brought up just barely on the same or comparable store sales. So it's still looking for that negative comp store sales to actually come in. It's just a matter of the kind of narrowing of that range, it seems like.
So here's a little anecdote about Dick's, right? Last night, and I told you guys this before the show, we bought a new pair of basketball sneakers for my son. We realized that his prior sneakers were very quickly too small. We had to go out and buy one. Foot Locker or Dick's was the decision we had to make. We went with Foot Locker, which had more to do with not having to drive on Route 22 in New Jersey than it did with anything else. So we made it on expediency, not on shopping experience or anything else like that. So I wonder.
Those shoes were really nice.
They were.
They're really nice. You did well, Mom. You did well.
Thank you.